English Czech survival phrases, as there,
je,
and more. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to sound smart in Czech? Let's roll. Imagine you land in Prague, your coffee craving is louder than a jet engine, and your map app is doing interpretive dance. We'll fix that with small but mighty phrases like is there,
je,
where is,
kde je,
and how much is.
kolik stojí.
Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll order, ask, and navigate with confidence. Speak out loud with me. By the end, you'll comfortably say, may I?
Smím.
I need.
Potřebuji.
I would like.
Chtěl bych.
Feminine.
Chtěla bych.
Can you? Informal.
Můžeš.
Formal.
Můžete.
Plus the discovery duo what is.
Co je?
And the compass where is.
Kde je?
Cafe mini dialogue. You're in a cozy cafe. Copy me and ham it up a little, acting helps memory. You to the waiter. I would like.
Chtěl bych.
Kaj, prosím. If you're female.
Chtěla bych.
Kaj, prosím. You, pointing at a seat. May I sit here?
Smím.
See said now Tatey? You, double-checking the basics. Is there Wi-Fi?
Je.
Wi-Fi Tatey? You, just in case. I need.
Potřebuji.
Usitenku. Waiter smiles, brings tea, and your inner tourist levels up. Find it fast. Where, what, is there? When you're lost or curious, these are your super buttons. Where is, equals.
Kde je?
Example. Where is the restroom?
Kde je?
Toaleta? What is, equals.
Co je?
Example. Point at a mystery pastry. What is it?
Co je?
2? Is there, equals.
Je.
Example. Is there a map?
Je.
Mappa? Pro tip.
Kde je?
Equals location.
Je.
Equals existence. Ask smart, get answers fast. Shopping wins. Money talk, but make it polite and painless. How much is, equals.
Kolik stojí?
Example. How much is this mug?
Kolik stojí?
10 HRNEK? Need help from staff? Use formal. Can you?
Můžete.
Example.
Můžete.
Rick Senu? Can you tell me the price? With a friend, go informal. Can you?
Můžeš.
Example.
Můžeš.
Padres at task you? Can you hold the bag? And if you truly need something, I need.
Potřebuji.
Voodoo. Rapid fire drill. Say it out loud, I'll give you a beat to answer. Ready? Say in Czech, is there? Answer.
Je.
Say in Czech, may I? Answer.
Smím.
Say in Czech, I need. Answer.
Potřebuji.
Say in Czech, where is? Answer.
Kde je?
Say in Czech, what is? Answer.
Co je?
Say in Czech, how much is? Answer.
Kolik stojí?
Say in Czech, I would like, mask. Answer.
Chtěl bych.
Bonus, fem, I would like. Answer.
Chtěla bych.
Say in Czech, can you, informal? Answer.
Můžeš.
Say in Czech, can you, formal? Answer.
Můžete.
Culture tips. Tiny tweaks make you sound wonderfully polite. Add, please, often.
Prosím.
Example.
Můžete.
Otevřít okno.
Prosím.
In shops and with strangers, use formal.
Můžete.
With friends.
Můžeš.
If you're unsure of a word, just ask, what is?
Co je?
People are happy to help. Speed quiz. Match the situation to the check phrase. Shout answers at your phone, it loves that. You can't find the exit. Which phrase? Correct.
Kde je?
You want to be ultra polite asking a waiter, which, can you? Correct.
Můžete.
You point at a souvenir and ask the price. Which one? Correct.
Kolik stojí?
You're not sure it exists. Which opener? Correct.
Je.
You're about to place an order politely. Mask. Which phrase? Correct.
Chtěl bych.
Fem.
Chtěla bych.
Closing parenthesis. Final challenge. Role play time. Combine phrases like Lego bricks. You've got this. Scene. A busy market. You. Is there a map?
Je.
Mappa? Vendor points. You. Thank you. Where is the ATM?
Kde je?
Bankomat? At the stall. How much is this?
Kolik stojí?
Total? Polite request to staff. Can you help me?
Můžete.
Pomochi am I? To your friend. Can you hold this?
Můžeš.
To podres it? Ordering victory. Choose your version. I would like.
Chtěl bych.
Slash.
Chtěla bych.
Kavu, prosím. Curious dessert question. What is this?
Co je?
2? One last polite check. May I pay by card?
Smím.
Platit kartu? I need a receipt.
Potřebuji.
Usitenku. Thanks and next steps. You crushed it. Keep these phrases on repeat for muscle memory. Thanks for listening, and big high five from Synapse Lingo. Practice daily, share a smile, and keep exploring Czech. For more episodes, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Nashledano, and see you next time.